This is my free sample hamper from Forever Fresh, and it's a thank you for my participation in their online survey. Their actual business is going to be launching towards the end of September. This is going to be interesting. Maybe I'll take some of these on hikes with me. It looks like there's actually jars underneath, and in the top, in some bubble wrap. So obviously it's a bit fragile. You can actually see the strawberries. Raw freeze-dried strawberry. I do actually use freeze-dried strawberries when I'm hiking. This is concentrated pure carrot powder. Taste it, blend it, bake it, sprinkle it, stir it, fold it, cook it, pour it, toss it, whip it, mix it, dust it. Okie dokie. That definitely smells like carrot. It kind of smells like carrot muffins or something. Concentrated pure egg powder. This I'm very interested in. I do kind of wish that they maybe included some cooking instructions. I mean, I know in the letter they say you can use this egg powder to make scrambled eggs. I've never used freeze-dried egg powder ever in my life. It doesn't really have a smell at all. I'm actually going to put my finger in and taste it because I'm so curious about this. It tastes just like egg. It tastes like really dry egg. Concentrated pure strawberry powder. So I assume that this is just these things crushed up into powder. Ooh, it smells strongly like strawberry, and you can even see the little strawberry pips. And it's got a super strong strawberry flavor. What's up next? Concentrated pure lemon powder. Ingredients, freeze-dried raw lemon. So they literally don't seem to add anything at all to these products. Very strong lemon smell. Definitely a lemon taste. It's actually not as strong as I was expecting because of the smell. Ooh, concentrated pure beetroot powder. This is the one in the letter that they said you could use to color icing. This is interesting because I never take beetroots on hikes because they stain everything so badly. So maybe beetroot powder is a good idea. Ooh, got a little puff of beetroot as I open that. That smells strongly like beetroot, extremely strongly like beetroot. Yeah, and it tastes like dried beetroot. Concentrated pure spinach powder. Ooh, it smells like spinach. These things all smell so fresh. They really smell like raw ingredients. Definitely a milder flavor. It's like a spinach flavor, but not very strong. I'm gonna be so interested to experiment with these things. Freeze-dried mushroom. This is very interesting. I've never ever taken mushrooms with me on a hike. Yeah, they look like mushrooms. I mean, it looks surprisingly similar to a regular piece of mushroom, but if I crush it between my fingers, I can feel how dry it is. I'm gonna taste some. That tastes exactly like a button mushroom, like eating a raw button mushroom. On this mushroom one, I cannot see a best before date printed anywhere on the packet. I really would have appreciated having a best before date. In fact, it might be a legal requirement because I know freeze-dried food does last a long time, but I would like some sort of indication of how long this is going to last for. I'm actually quite impressed with the amount of stuff that you get just for answering the little questionnaire. The quality of this stuff seems pretty amazing. It really is just raw food that's been freeze-dried and made into a powder in the case of the ones in the jar. And I think I will be taking some of these on my upcoming hike to try them out on the trail, see what they taste like.